Okay, we are live. So I thought we share my 2 words on product semantics because there are few who there are unfinished video on this topic, but everywhere else I haven't seen people talk about it in a way which I'm going to tell you guys. So yeah, here we are. Also, I made this PPT on Saturday, so excuse me for this. I mean, Friday here. Okay, so let's dive into what is semantics. You can directly Google it out. It's a branch of linguistics and logic concerning with meaning. The two main areas are logical semantics concerning with matters such as sensory reference and presupposition and implication, or everything you can read it out. The meaning of word, phrase, or text. That's called semantics. Now, you would ask me, what is product semantics? Product semantics, in a simple way, is soul of product design. So, now, it's really hard to define a soul. If I ask you what is a soul, how would you tell? How would you explain it to an alien? What is Atma? What is soul? We don't know, but we know there's something. So it's like that. So it's really hard to talk about soul. How will I think about it? That was my ultimate question when I started. Do I need to teach about that? I don't know. Is it actually fair? Because you will get to know as you progress on the journey of product design. Similarly, as you progress towards your life, you get to know there's something inside you which tells you things. So it's really hard to talk about soul. But we'll still try to talk about semantics here in this video. Okay, let's get moving. Design is a thankless profession. Yeah. Nobody will say thank you. If you do it right, they'll be like, it looks like a good chair, I'll sit on it. They won't even say a good chair. What is a good chair? Any chair in which you can sit on is good, right? So no one is going to thank you for designing a good product. Okay. So pause for a minute and look at the thing which you're watching right now. What do you think it is? What kind of product it is? Any guesses? I would in comments if you have any guesses. Yeah. Looks like something related to bedroom or home furniture. Okay. It's a fire extinguisher. And these are the few details which are shown here. You can see, and it's one of the award-winning design. I pulled it off from internet. So what do you think about this design? It's looking sleek, nicely done. Okay. The name is The Act, and designer is Singran. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So these are a few photos of it. Yeah. And this is our regular fire extinguisher which we see in wall corners of buildings in India. So what do you think? Which design is better? This design or this design? You decide it yourself. Next, we go on to this amazing artwork. No, I should be not saying that. It's a product. But what do you see on the screen? comment down below. Yeah, it's a lazy product, and it is basically a quartz group. Like if you have a wine bottle, so there's a pipe on top of it. So like really it in use quartz group, and it cost around 4,000 rupees, Indian rupees, right? And you can find the same thing on IKEA, I think, for around 200 rupees, right? It's a very simple design. But again, the simple design is made complex or made fancy. So, which is a good design, this one or that one? You decide. Oh, yeah. What can you see on the screen? Yeah, it has been a very controversial design, and there have been many designers, many philosophers, many thinkers talking about this design. So, yeah, what are your comments? What are your thoughts on this? Okay, I can give you some context here. It's a lemon squeezer. Yeah, it's designed by Philip Stark. The name is just Semantics, and you get it around 14,200 on Amazon. Fancy rupee. Yeah. 75 euros on the AC's website. Designed by Philip Stark. Or you can just buy it 267 rupees. Amazon, send this to you, lemon juice. Or you can go for much lower price for this, another lemon juicer or squeezer. So, which is a good design? This one, this one. It's up to you. Decide and let me know. Now we'll talk about semantics. Which design has a good semantics? Which design is a good design? There's a difference between both. Even if it is a good design, it is not solving the function of squeezing the lemon and separating the seeds. This lemon doesn't get squeezed fully. Okay, whereas in other designs it does. So I don't want to get into the conversation or the controversy that is it a good design or bad design, where the semantics are not clear. Initially, you feel like it's an alien spacecraft. Yeah. Similarly, if you go back to the fire extinguisher and if you have fire at your wall and you see something like this lying around, would you be able to operate it? No. But if you find something like this, you will figure it out in few seconds. And that's what semantics is. It tells you, the object or product tells you what to do with it. Right? So it can be a good design, but sometimes there are no semantics to it. And that's what we have learned. 2 hours. And yeah. Okay, so what was the semantics again? Together, it is a study of winning mimicking. It is a study of winning mimicking. Okay. Now, the word semantics came from the language. There are different branches of the language, and in which we go to meaning. One level of meaning making is semantics. So here's a joke. Semantics, a classroom in which many are discussed. Actually, this is just a door. The classroom is on other side of the door. You idiot. Another joke. What does surrender mean? and the student say, I give up.
Right.
So is he saying that he doesn't know the meaning, or he's saying that I give up? Crazy, right? Language is funny. Another joke. She had allergies, so buying a cat was a rash decision. Good, right? This is one of my favorite. I'm sorry, and my bad mean the same thing. And this cigarette. Yeah. Okay. I think we'll do this in the next lectures. We'll keep it short. Next lecture, we are going to talk about how the is started talking over semantics and started the whole journey of structuring the whole language stuff. Okay. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.